This is Nymphaea or water lily, and this is going to not be as specific as a lot of the plants that I cover because I don't use water lilies very much, rarely have. But in plant design, I saw this beautiful pond in Santa Barbara, and I thought, there's a lot of people who do use water features in their designs. And I wanted to expose you to what I found here because I just thought from a plant design perspective in water, this was beautifully done and using different colored foliages and flowers with the water lilies. And so in researching this, I found out a couple of things I wanted to pass along. So there are winter hardy varieties of water lilies and there are tropical varieties. Because this is in Santa Barbara and they do not freeze during the winter, I believe these are tropical varieties that we're looking at. But that's something for you to research in your particular area. Basically, if it freezes, well, one of the things I read is that if you can grow orange trees or lemon trees where you live, then you can grow tropical varieties of water lilies. So generally, freezing temperatures are going to be a problem for any of the tropicals. So if you look here, you see in the background other water plants as well with more height to them, different textures such as irises. Calla lilies can be used in water and things like that. But the main thing I wanted to expose you to are these great colors. I mean, it's hard to find this variety of color and color intensity in other plant types. And then also look at the leaves. I'd never seen these plum or purple leaves that are variegated like this on a water lily. I've only seen green varieties, and I was just really taken by how attractive they were and how interesting and beautiful these leaves are, even without the flowers. So this is also a koi pond, and here's the other thing, the depth. That's something that's very critical apparently to water lilies, is that 8 to 24 inches is what I read in researching this, and most water lily ponds are closer to 8 to 18 inches deep. And so they don't need a lot of depth, and so that's part of what to understand when you're designing the water feature. What I recommend though is this is just to kind of prime your interest in these as a design element and have you do more research on your own and give you some visual examples, live ones. I love seeing this stuff on video. But one of the websites that I looked at that sells these different water lilies is simply waterlilies.com. And you can do more research and learn more about what would work in your area on that website, and recommend that. So Nymphaea or water lilies, beautiful plants, all different types. There's a pond that I walk by nearby my home when I do my walk weekly, and it's got you can fish in there and all that. And in the shallows, they have more standard types of water lilies that have just white flowers and green lily pads or leaves, and they're very prolific as well. But I tell you, if you're able to do some of these more interesting varieties, it can add an extra dimension that I certainly didn't know about when I was looking at this. So enjoy that, and that is Nymphaea, water lilies.